Hey everyone, this is Steve. Welcome back to our channel. And today I'd just like to give you a quick little overview of Marie and I's scooter, and that is our ADV 160 by Honda. We got this just over a year and a half ago, and we really like it. This is what we first used before we got our Toyota Rush, and it actually holds quite a bit with the storage with the top box and underneath, but we'll just go over a little bit of stuff here. You got your high beams, horn, your turn signals, reservoir. This is for your back brake. And over here, same thing, reservoir. You have your auto on and auto stop. If you come up to a stop sign and you have this engaged, when you come to a full stop, your motor will cut off, and then when you engage the gas again, the motor will start right back up again. You got your hazards, your starter right here. Here you have a little bit of storage, and also, I don't know if you can see, there's a USB port right here, and this didn't come with it, but you can get this on Lazada. A little port right here where you can thread your USB cable through and put it up here to your phone holder. This is by Kiwig. This was a added accessory that I bought separately. I believe it was like $39. On the rear view mirrors, this is also something that I added to get a little bit better perspective to the left and to the right. When I'm driving, as tall as I am, 6'5", it's a little bit hard sometimes to get these mirrors adjusted just the way I like them. But back here is our top box that we use, 45 liter. And keep Marie's helmet in here. Keep a couple of our shopping bags. And I do believe this came with a cargo net, so that if you have extra stuff, you can hook it up to here. And before we got our car, this is what we would use, to go get our groceries and stuff on, and it came in handy. Believe it or not, it's also keyless start. One click, that'll open up either your fuel tank or your seat right here. And as you can see, it can easily hold a full-size helmet plus a little bit more. Comes with a little tool bag, which is pretty much useless, and then your owner's manual will go right up in here. And this rail was separate, DC mono rack. We bought that for the top box. And also another little thing here, you can take this little side panel off, and if should you ever get locked out, the Honda comes with 2 keys, and it comes with this little extra accessory right here where you put that in there, and then you can unlock your seat like that should the battery ever die on you. And we've had the battery on this die once already after about 9 months. It shot craps, and of course it's not under warranty, so that was 2,500 pesos to replace. Going around, you got your coolant and oil check right there. Dual shocks for fat Americans. Something else I added here in case we ever lay the bike down, this is to protect the muffler right here. We also added this piece, which keeps water and dirt from getting splashed up underneath the seat. Another little protector here in case we ever lay the bike down, protects this. This was just for basically decoration, just a clear little crankcase thing you can see there. And then here we got a front disc brake protector, and then also we have some fork protectors right here. And all these accessories were from SemSpeed. We got them off of Lazada. Now here, your front windshield, you have two of these, one on either side. You can pull these out and it'll raise your windscreen up. All lights are LED. And if we turn this thing on again, I don't know if you can see the dash or not. It's got a little control here where you can go through, change things around a little bit. Right now, let's see if I can. Yeah, we've got a little over. Let's see what we got. I don't know if I can pull that up again. 1,218 kilometers. It's been a good little bike. Not a lot of miles put on it. But I'll get the manual here in just a second, and we'll go over the specs of this. Alright, so just to go over the specs real quick. Overall length, 1,950 millimeters or 76.8 inches. Overall width, 763 millimeters or 30 inches. Overall height is 1,270 millimeters or 50 inches at the windscreen. The wheelbase is 52.1 inches.
What are you doing?
Just making video. Thank you. Got some of the kids there. The curb weight is 293 pounds. Maximum capacity is 291 pounds, and that includes rider, passenger, luggage, and accessories. So believe me, when I'm on there and Marie's on there, we are already pretty well close to that. Let's see what else we got. Fuel tank capacity is 8.1 liters or 2.14 gallons. Tire size in the front, 14-inch 110/80s. In the rear, 13-inch 130/70s. And that is just about all for the specs. We got this at Wheel Tech here in Das Marinas Cavite, and the cost was 179,000 pesos. We paid cash for it, and so far it's been one of the better investments that we've had here. Hope this video helps you guys out, and thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.